Greetings, greetings, all my beautiful people all over the world. Yard, overseas, yes, big up, bless up. You know, here's truly DJ's Wicked Vlogs out here this morning. Not even my face, me not wash it, guys. But me decided that me gonna come out and deliver content to you guys. Yeah, man, so people, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, man, and welcome to all my new subscribers, you know. Yeah, man, big up all my loyal subscribers. Yeah, man, big up my people them started with me from day one. Yeah, man, much love, much thanks. You know, DJ's Wicked Vlogs always appreciate the love. Yeah, man, so today, guys, you know, I'm out here, guys, you know, and me have my machete here, guys. Yeah, and me have me bait pan here, guys, so you know what time it is. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Watch what I go on. Yeah, I go show you a bit of what I go on. You know, go down on the riverside, so guys, see if we can catch one fish or two fish. See you guys a long time. Not nothing for you guys like this out here, so let me try it. So stick and stay, guys. Watch what I go on, man. I have the puppy here accompanying me as well, you know, guys. But him there in the bush, they say, you know. Yeah, man, boy, and they accompany me. So, guys, stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Yeah, guys. So, let's get to the fishing now. Yeah, what me do with the bait pan, guys. And what me do with the bait pan, peeps. Oh, bait pan here, guys. So I go try a couple chew right here and see what we can accomplish, you know. We use worm out here to catch our fish them. Guys, you can see that one worm. Right, guys, the puppy passed through and them are drop down also. Dog all gone now, water, guys. Run all the two fish there. So. You see dog swimming in the water there, guys. Through me there, I try pin on the bait, but I'm not sure you guys are going. Yeah. Okay, so man. Alright. Let's do this, guys. Sort out the next one and put it in the water. Let's see what I can achieve. The dog didn't jump off a line, they would have moved already. Sweet here, guys. Nice run off now, guys. I'm sitting around waiting now. So I'm if you do the crowd waiting now, guys. Alright, bullock here, guys. Guys, you come like a feed me, a feed it. Try that one over there. So, like a feed me, a feed them, guys. Sweet and a feed them. People, I don't know the dog, they kind of going in the water. So, come like I said, the mostly small fish they use bite. The dog kind of scared. Scared them away. By that jump in the water. So eventually guys me have to change the spot. You know me I change the spot guys. So stay tuned and watch what I go. Yeah guys. Pass some water so. My face I wash, you know. Yeah man, nice natural water guys. As I say, you know me out here I throw 2 lines. So I'm not catch nothing as yet still guys. Be truthful to you guys is you the guys that see it on camera, you know. But yeah man. Slowly but surely I go bingo. And the grow another part. But if the puppy ain't jump off in the water guys, I'm sure some would catch. Cause here you know, him jump off and swim go across the water. And then him swim come back right which part in chuck off. You know, so kinda kill the vibes guys. But now stay focused. Now move like no locust. You know? So watch a mission guys. A mission I have to accomplish today. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, you know. Yeah man, no matter how we maybe look or feel like say we there out there in the world. Yeah man, once we have God, all is well, you know. Yeah man. You're the man that we can help if we be firm and strong. You know? Yes, peeps, like we have little joins I come over here. You know, but now make that stop the journey, you know guys. That journey have to happen. I mean know you guys here. Sorry, want to witness it as well. You know, so yeah man, right, that's how I'm lucky spot them too, you know guys. Right, that bridge, you know. First purge can pick up the sail. See how down they look there guys. And I'm a lucky spot them this year. But stay tuned guys. As I say, I can't go one nice spot. You know, but more want to dip on the journey. So if wassa bite me, you can't see. You see it? Yeah man, because the next little far spot this me I go guys, but you know a good while I don't go through them bushes, so I don't know the journey stay, you know. So I don't want to know if I miss nothing. Yeah, so stay tuned. Like up the video people. I know someone who goodly say me I talk too much. But I saw the content of the sweet people. I swear to you, right now it come like the whole place. Woodland guys. I swear to you. Whole place Woodland, but don't worry about it. Find one little spot to squeeze it to. Cause normally could have bowl through down this one. You know? But nah, I work out that way there for me at all. So chat with you know. I mean no one did a comment up and sitting. Yeah, can't wait for the epic show. This one I gonna be like a movie when me done with it people, man. Don't worry about it, man. That one I gonna be like a movie. I mean I wanna start that one today now. No feel no way. I mean I wanna start a movie today guys. Yeah. So one thing me I hope for peeps. I hope the dog no come backside. Jump off back in the water again. This a dog I come like when me a fish me have to go extra far from him. Cause this a dog yeah. When me see me a move people, the man they move too. I don't know if you don't get what me I say. But for me I move people and they spot me. And if you tell the truth, you know, I know how a dog still, you know. But here with the realness about it now. Because if and this a dog you come, him and him owner have for me honey in there. And they don't have we are 24/7. Jesus Christ, I saw around here, so look. After me did a boast and a brag, I say, me I come murder 2 fish. I saw around here, so come to. No sir. No sir. Guys, look what me I talk about. Look what me I talk about, guys. Can't throw a line in here, sir. Jesus Christ, and that's some big fish in there now. You know, you can see a whole heap of man try to throw a line. Out there and line, it can't sit in here. No, no. You see, I can risk and see. I can't go on. Sometimes I have to risk it, you know. Don't it, peeps? Yeah, try to see make a bingo one, guys. But we don't tell peeps. Nah, but we don't ever much one. Can't give up on people. Can't give up at all. Or even one. I want to catch us. Show them say we don't shake, you know. I have to barely catch on the banking, guys, because the water get close and the bush just dig over the water. So if the chicken make a thing, so you're safe, but you have to just stand up a solid ground, you know. No popping in there, no water around this one. Guarantee. I'm missing the throat the line and see you think it there in the water. And catch up for one piece of bush. That's right over the bottom down. So, right over the back. Tune a good tune spot now you do there, so but now go down. Don't kill that down this still. Yeah, idiot until you sink. Sink in there, so. Oh, I'm not a chain spot for you. I'm not chain spot there, so I big, I feel big. Feline throat. Anyway, guys, want to say, on this wasn't a good chewing spot at all, as you guys can see. You know, so I have to change course. You know, to change course, guys. So. Change course, you know. Yeah. See what I can find. I can find one nice chewing spot down on the gully side down there, so stay tuned, guys. Watch where I go on as me taking you guys on that journey with the guys. Line and everything I drop out of pocket. Yeah, guys, as you all can see, they are search the spot, you know. They are search the spot, guys. They are search the spot, you know. They are search a nice spot. so it's real nice to wash the water this from the craft people. Right to another bamboo root. I have to go on more to on that side. Yeah guys, here's the view from this side, huh? Very, very beautiful guys. Yes, you know what they in the water today, you know, and you can catch. So guys, stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Stay tuned and watch what I go on with people. Right, my line trying not to people. I wanna feel. I wanna listen to. Ready and up and running guys. Yes guys, we have little rain here with me, you know, God little blessings that shower down for you. First and foremost guys, and I want to go over to that side, it has much length, you can actually come on that side, eh? See what we can achieve from down that side guys. Not short line, I have a short out in style, you know, so you check the water and see which part of fire more, you know. Hope we can get one nice mud fish today guys. You know, let's watch and see what's going on. Yes guys, as you can see, a whole lot of rain fall out here guys. A whole lot of rain fall down here guys. I'm just gonna tell myself that it's just blessings, you know. Blessings guys, all of you know get me upset guys, the blessings to you know. As you can see a beer shower in our morning guys. Yeah man, beer showers are blessings in our morning guys. guys, you don't know me a fish you can't feel make a whole heap of nice thing, you know. Yes, especially a river. Yeah man, so that's the notice when you know to not do talking. Yeah guys. They are not really for a fish guys, you know. I'm gonna buy it up my fish guys. No, I'm not feel all them bad boy, you know. See you now for me guys. That's one of the bamboo without, you know, so guys, I can't believe I missed that one. Now look how long me there bleach pan. So, catch up before I flips. Swear to. Catch up before. That's the only two one down there by peace and a beef. Yeah, little fish right there, dog. Guys, I really in my line and look I'm really in funny. Little baby one. You know I see how the hook catch him too. Right now, yeah, so I'm probably going up have 1 year out the back in my water. Okay? See that, guys? Throw him back of water. I should show him still. But yeah, they try to see if I can find a few more bait. But can't beat now, man. This is a fish and just a come out too. Stick and stay, guys. Watch what I'm going on. Yeah, guys. don't know, hungry take over, you know. And then vibe boring too, you know. Fish here not too bite, nah give me no vibes, you know. Yeah man. Now you guys probably feel disappointed me come and me not catch nothing. But every day fish run. But I know every day I go catch them. Sometimes then in I mood for eat from you. So they are my people, them man. Truly grateful and thankful to see them. They want to see me could have catch something. You know? I make this one be a banger, but not turn out how I want it at all. Yeah man, but stay tuned guys. Watch where I go on. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe if you never yet subscribe guys. Not through this video end up fail. That no mean say everything will fail, huh? Yeah man, so guys, reason why I say all of this, cause you know say I always post my video them see man. So just bear with me guys. You know, stick and stay with DJ's Wicked Vlogs. Where we not get today, we catch another day. Yeah man. I want that me share sample out the bridge so guys. Alright, let me see something.